Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name's Andrew. This is the Life After Daily YouTube channel, and we're going to be going over an oil leak, and we're going to be giving my car a tune-up today because we got to take those parts off to clean. Might as well just replace them while we're there. I actually got two different ones. I got the original and the foamy. I don't know what's going to work best. I have never used any engine degreaser before, so we're probably going to hit it with the foamy first, try and lift everything off the surface, and then we'll hit it with the original. Now what we're going to do, I got to take out all the coils, take out the spark plugs, plug them up with some paper towels, and just so we don't get any degreaser down into the spark plug tubes. Then we'll disconnect all the wiring, spray it down with the foam, wipe it down as much as we can, and we'll see how clean we can get it. Okay, well, I really can't get all the wiring out of the way, but it's all movable now, so we should be able to get into all the hard places, spray it down, see what we're working with here. So yeah, now we're gonna spray it down with some degreaser. Oh shit, that was a bad idea. Well, my camera shut off, but this is round number 1 of degreasing it. I'm just gonna keep going until paper towel comes clean. If the paper towel ain't getting into those hard to reach little areas there, I just grabbed one of the toothbrushes spares that I had in the cabinet. Seemed to get inside all those little places real nice. Alright, so all the oil that's kind of sitting on this side of the engines, it's hard to kind of get down there. So I just used the original degreaser because it's got a little bit more power behind it to kind of just have it all come down the engine. Only problem is now I got some sediment and stuff on the belts. So got a thing of water, old McDonald's cup, just gonna scoop, pour, try and get it all. Make sure it's nice and clean so nothing else messes up. Alright, so just got done degreasing, throwing some water on there. It's looking pretty clean down there. There's still little spots that were hard to reach with any water or anything that are still kind of gunked up. So with that part done, I think I'm just going to wipe down the motor a little bit and then we'll move on to the spark plugs. Well, I kind of messed up. Easy fix, I just don't have a long enough extension right now, and my socket and extension are in there, so I gotta go find another extension. Sick. Haha. I was only able to get one of these out. If you look there, the tip's kind of gone on it, but this is exactly why we're replacing them. So we don't know what's going on. A lot of buildup on that spark plug right there. Whew. There's number 2. Alright, there's number 3. Alright. Boom, and there's number 4. Here are those old spark plugs. Definitely overdue for some replacement. So I went and found some kind of high performance coil packs. They weren't too expensive, definitely on the lower end of things. So we're gonna test them out, see if they're worth anything. Got the spark plugs from them, of course, just NGK plugs. Don't need to go anything too crazy there. We're gonna go ahead and install these spark plugs and get our new coil packs on. Before I go and put these in, I just want to show a comparison. So that's the old one, and look, that's the new one. Much finer tipped head there. These ones, there's no tip, just a little nub. Alright, time to tighten them all down. If you end up using any power tools for this, put it on its lowest setting. I have mine here on 1. It basically stops whenever it feels like any resistance. Just so you don't strip out anything in the valve cover or over tighten these and end up destroying this plastic. Give him a good old jiggle. Everything seems to be pretty tight. So I guess all we have left to do is start her up. There we go. Okay, so if you look here, this is what I'm using, Auto Pro UV dye, engine, transmission, power steering, fuel system, whatever. It's a 1 ounce bottle, and here are the directions. It's saying for 1 ounce of dye, every 5 quarts motor oil, and so this motor is 4.75, so I am going to check the dipstick, make sure that we are all full, and then go ahead and put this dye in, and I'm going to let it run for a little. It's like an orange dye. It's kind of cool. Alright, well that pretty much does it for today's video. We put that dye in the system, so in 2 or 3 days I'll be posting another video and seeing if we can find that dye anywhere with a UV light. We went and did those spark plugs and those coil packs, and seems to be running healthier. I'll see the next time I go to work tomorrow. Main thing I'm trying to see, there's a low idle, and every once in a while it would kind of peak down into 5 and go back up to 7, and then peak down to 5 and go back up to 7. So we'll see if that ends up going away. So thank you again for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. I am out. Peace.